my friend in offer me join to AM Global to Dubai.
Mm-hmm.
Then since 2015, and in 2015 I'm start to AM Global only for just like a distributor for new joining. Then after that I'm start the work. Then I check the profile and company and everything. Then I'm very happy for see the company profile and company product and companies also all BODs also achievers. Too much searching. After that, I joined the company in 2015 since and start to work for zero. My upline in also in a Filipino guy, Joel
Mm-hmm.
Galvan from Dubai. Then I start slowly work to AM Global. But thanks God for I'm also choice to right time and right placement and right company. Uh, I'm start only for after the 3 and 4 year. I visit to all over the Pakistan. Then I'm start to prospecting and I'm start to give a OPP and I'm also going to different city. And thanks God, because Pakistan too much network marketing or company are here, too much working for here, but also too much networker are here. But thanks God, anybody going to YouTube, anybody go to Google and search to company for AM Global. Thanks for company is a very huge profile and very huge knowledge for there, and people are motivated. Only 1 month I am joining more than 1,500 people only 1 month and visit to all over the Pakistan. After the actually I start the work. The my upline is Joel Gavin. He say you start our here. I my weaker leg and my power leg is only for 7,000. I think the meantime only for 5 to 8 months. After the 5 to 8 months, I'm going to again to Dubai, and I also crossed to is a weaker power leg. I am also my team more than 8,500. Okay,
Wow.
then he is a surprise because he cannot imagine for Pakistan because the first time any company are working start in Pakistan, and this company just like Alliance Motion Global in Filipino company first time in working coming to Pakistan. Too much company are here, Malaysian company are here, UK companies are here, but first time is the Filipino company are coming to here in Pakistan, and also too much result are here. This time, Alhamdulillah, is my team is more than 35,000. Okay, I am also global ambassador, and I am
Yes.
I am achieved too much earning for here. Believe
Wow.
me, the I can imagine for this platform because I'm also visit for 4 time in Philippines and I see the head office. I am also meet for Dr. Ed. I am also meet too much
Wow.
networker are there, and I am also attend for ceremony for 2016, 2017, 2018. Uh, three big ceremony are attend are here in Malila and company head office, and I have Alhamdulillah too much success more than 100 plus. I can you can I have 100 plus direct sponsor for my line. Okay, I was sponsor for 10,
Wow.
more than 100 people are all over the world. This time is my
Uh-huh.
team in Pakistan, Nigeria, Ghana, Uganda, Kenya, Cameroon, and Kuwait, Qatar, Dubai, India. I can arrange. Inshallah, you see, I must also start for Afghanistan. Afghanistan people are also very excited for working for Alliance Motion Global because too much people are there in Kabul.
Mm-hmm.
Only I'm tell my experience because I'm start the working for network marketing 2002, and I can searching for this type of marketing plan and this type of management and this type of product because our here our product are alive C247 are complete and corridors and KT too much famous are Pakistan. Only five product are here: C247, complete, corridors, KT and restore life. You can imagine I am also reached the global ambassador in this company. I don't have a product. I don't have a company management are there. I don't have any office are there. I don't have any facility because I'm start only for in my home. I am managed for my home, and also small board are there. And one by one people I give a one by one OPP. Single people I give a OPP, and people are shocked. What are you doing? Where is company? Where is management? Where is product? Where are people are also doing work with you? Then I am also telling the people, bro, you see me in my face, I'm here, I'm company, I am management, I give a product, I give a commission, I will start the work. And
Yeah.
people also give a too much shocking for my statement. But slow
Wow.
and working, because I give a one day, I give a 30 to 14 OPP a day. If one people are coming and he asking me, please give me OPP, I go to board and I give a OPP single person. Okay. After that, I also corrected the leaders, corrected the too much people, and slow this company are this time is the company are very huge working are all over the Pakistan and all over the world. Because here in the system are also here in Pakistan, but are direct selling. No for binary plan. Binary plan is two legs. One is left, one is right, and also growth for down, and also speed for down 2 and 4, 8, 12, and also growth very big. But another company are here in only for selling 20%, 30%, 80% in a too much sponsor for straightforward and go to 4, 5 to 6 to 8 and 10 go to down. The first time is a point stable company.
Correct. Yes,
Uh,
sir. Go ahead.
this plan is a binary and also based for 2 lakhs and also 4 lakhs. This time I have my family joining more than 80 plus. You can
Wow.
believe me, 80 plus joining only for my family, my
Mm-hmm.
my wife, also my daughter, my son, and my sister. Every family person are joined are there and use the product for C247, and also use the product are KD and corridors, and very famous product are there. And you are lucky for that, because you are a Filipino guy and your own company, your own city, and you are own offices, and you have a golden opportunity. Sometimes your hand is golden opportunity, but you cannot understand, because first time I'm coming there, I'm see the people are there. Oh, I'm shocking. I too my because our slogan are there, and after the visit for office and go to hotel, and also I see that just like that. Oh my God, too much picture and too much famous people are there. And I can you can imagine, because the doctor I'm going to Dubai first time. I meet to Dr. Ed, and I'm also meet in one coffee shop. Then more than 8 hours I'm sitting with him alone, and he discussed with me. You go to my YouTube channel, Ahmed Bhatti are there. I also I'm putting video put are there. First time I'm meeting are there in a Dubai Plaza, and I also eat lunch for with him. Then also I was first time see a tuna fish are there. He told me is our corridors also in tuna fish are inside for corridors, and then I'm surprised also tuna, and also in the in the broccoli vegetable or broccoli. Pakistan is not in broccoli is a vegetable, but the way also the Philippines are too much broccoli are there. Then I'm eating are there. First time I'm going to Dubai, Philippines, I am also very confused, because everywhere go to KFC, go to McDonald's, go to any restaurant, everywhere in rice, because Pakistan eating in bread. And I'm also after the 10 day I'm called to doctor, and bro, please, I eat the bird, and in a just like a Pakistan is a roti, just like a meat for here in Pakistan. Then I go to one Indian restaurant. I'm eating are there. Then I'm very happy with you. I'm told to honestly speaking for that, because I'm here in Pakistani. I cannot any consult for a Philippine. But believe me, this type of company, this type of platform, this type of bonus plan, and this type of product, you can't imagine. You are a very happy, very lucky guy, and also you have all facility are there, because I'm only for I'm also very not for very rich person because I may start to aim global. I don't have a bike. I don't have any luxury life. But after that, believe me, I have a this time is a more than Fortuner car I have. I have a very good house, and I have spent
Wow.
too much luxury life. Anytime I'm going to Dubai, anytime I'm going to Philippines, anytime I'm going to anywhere, because of
Wow.
Aim Global, because of this platform. The 1 year I'm completed to global ambassador without product, without management, without any setup. You can imagine, because I have a no any platform for here. After that, if the company are coming here, our management are coming here, our all staff are coming here, our product are coming here, then I have a business for boost from there. Only for coronavirus, I'm also travel because it is troubling all over the Pakistan. But
Yes.
but I my heart, I'm telling for you, that Dr. Ed, no doubt, is a visionary president. He that this last 5 to 8 months very difficult for all over the world, but he cannot withdraw to anything. He cannot back up. He doing to rent every office, every placement. Actually, I'm this time I'm sitting in Karachi office. This office I'm running are here in Pakistan. Then my team are growth all over the world. Very soon I'm going to Spain because I'm my one of my leader also go are there and the making of office are there. Then you have a golden opportunity because I have a no very high education, no very high family, only for focus for working, effort and doing to service for our downlines, service our for leaders, service our for our new joiner. Then only give us services and only give us knowledge. You can imagine for you to see the result are here. This time in Pakistan, I have a 5 office are there. One office in Karachi, one office in Pindi, one office in Lahore, one office in Sakkar, and one office in Hyderabad. And all team are working are start for again after the corona. Then then I'm also tell him because I'm facing a facility of in problem for only 1 year. 1 year I'm do too much effort, too much much time spending, traveling and going. This time I'm also wake up to 11 to 12 a.m. After that, wearing the dress and coming to office, sitting to my office, and only using the mobile and also call, attend to people and give the services and achieve the for earning too much. Uh, if next time I can come there, then I'm also raise my PC. I can show my earning for you. In a Pakistani one more than 1200 rupees in Pakistani, maybe is a 10 million peso. The 6 month I have a average for that my earning, and this earning I cannot see any company, I cannot see any plan. Then I'm asking for you any question for asking me, and you are lucky for that because I'm also you are in the Venus, maybe have Venus also asked me in the sharing. I'm surprised. then I'm surprised and I'm so happy because this is a family business.
Yes, sir.
So I have at this time too much company are offer. Or believe me, too much give me a facility. But I'm only one question for him. Why you giving this all facility for me? Because of AM Global, because of
Yeah.
this platform, because I'm achieve for this achievement. I can honest for here in company. I am real feeling for that because the meantime I'm meeting for Ma'am Connie, I'm meeting for Sir Georgian, I'm meeting for Dr. Ed. Then just like a feeling for my family. This is my own company. I'm on for this company. I'm not only for this company for only for global ambassador. I'm also in Alhamdulillah here in a one of director for here in company. Okay.
Wow.
I'm also multi-millionaire salary. I am also managed for all office. And this time believe me, your upline also asked me in also meeting. I don't go to home, and this time is a time for that. Maybe is a what time for that I don't know, but I'm stay here. I'm also waiting for only for this meeting. Why? Because
Wow. Thank you, sir.
I'm also love to company. I'm love to meet all people are in AM Global. This is you see I slogan for there in Alliance and Motion
Yeah.
backside for me. This is I'm sitting for here. I'm one moment I'm go to home and I'm also attend to meeting for there. But I'm one thinking for my I'm here. I'm also sitting for our office. I'm showing the Alliance and Motion Global are open in Pakistan, and
Yeah.
you are too much lucky for all people because the 20 year to 15, 18 to 20 year my experience I cannot see this type of company, this type of platform, this type of product, and this type of visionary president are there. Inshallah, I'm too much talking for you, but I want to question for you. Then I am also reply for my experience are there because I see the too much marketing plan for our other companies that too much facing the problem for air. Then I am also discuss my experience for you because the 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 plan are here plan or habit plan or binary plan of our company. I will present the people. Then I have a difference for company because company are too much bonus are give for you. The here in a you know launching your plan new plan in Philippines, but Pakistan
Yeah.
is also continue to old plan. After the 6 month, after the 8 month, you leave the everything the company give him. You believe me. The plan are plan on second, then I'm attend for air. I'm waiting for a new plan or company. But I see the Philippines are launching are there, and also event are there, and also product are launching are there. Then, but unfortunately, Pakistan and another country maybe 6 month, 8 month after that, the you lucky are there in Philippines. The everyone everything is coming, and first time are you achieve, and you are
Yes.
also avail. Then sometime I am also feel guilty. Why you not give a first time for him? But you are lucky for that. I'm telling for you because you are there and you are attend for directly our company and also attend to all facility for that. Believe me, this time my team in 35,000 plus. Okay, in here in
Wow.
Pakistan only, but here insurance policy is not there only. But this facility in Philippines also there, but Pakistan is not. But I am too much happy because the meantime company are start maybe some problem facing are there. Same are here. Network marketing also you facing a 1 year challenge. 1 year you leave the everything. 1 year you take a step and also power and also focus for your work and you achieve the lifetime. Somebody have told me people are more, oh bro, 21,000. What are you doing? I'm saying you are joined to 21,000 in Pakistani rupees and you earn 21 million, 2100 million. If up to you, you are doing your best. Because I'm joining only for one account, 21,000 rupees in here Pakistan, and I achieved the more than in a peso, maybe 100 peso, 100 1 lakh, 1 million is a month my average in a lot.
Wow.
1 million peso a month. The one time I'm going to first time in Philippines, I have a commission 1.5 million. I'm too much excited. Okay, then I'm asking the doctor, Ed, please, you see my DTC and withdraw my commission. Then he see my DTC, he see 1.5 million. Then he is smiling little bit. I told him after this withdraw, you go to our room, our DTC, our office, in also in a counter. Then I go there. I'm see little boy, more than 25 year, 24 year. Then he achieved 5 million. He achieved 1 million. I'm surprised. I go back Pakistan. I've told the people. I'm shocking because this earning is a because the initial stage na, that this earning my earning 1 month, 1.5 month, maybe 2 months. I'm also account for one DTC. I've told to doctor. After that, I'm going to do your office. and you are see the people and see the earning. Oh, I'm shocking because I'm first time I go there. Because not for me, I'm visit for there and also alone with my brother. I go there, and maybe somebody is a Malela backside in a hotel. I'm stay are there. Then I go to your office and see the people earning. Oh my God, I cannot see in Pakistan. I'm too much shocking because I'm see first time the people now. Some people are too much earning a peso are here. Some people are here. I'm shocking. I'm see what is this? Then Dr. I tell me, bro, this is a real network marketing and this is a real plan and real platform. And believe me, the that time I'm coming to Pakistan back, I cannot see in back. I'm go to front and I'm doing to everything. The the one time I'm very disturbed. I'm also called to Dr. Adam sir, I'm very disturbed because product are not there, staff are not there. Then Dr. Ed tell me one thing. And then he told me, bro, this is a birthday. If you achieve the goal, if you achieve the target, if you want to doing something, if you want to your family are not survive, and you doing anything, then you must be this birthday. Then after that, I will see. But my birth pain is 2 year. One the lady's birth pain in 9 months. My birth because is our documents are very late are there. Then I'm also joking one time in Dubai, Doctor Ed, sir, you asked me this is a birth pain, but I have knowledge for our birth pain only 9 months, but my birth pain is 2 year. Then Doctor Ed is smiling he say, Inshallah, very soon you see there. Then after that, I
Mm.
moved to Dubai, and the company also arranged me in seven-star hotel. I stayed there. I'm going to shower. I'm going to pool. Then I'm see the my achievement, and I'm so happy. Then I'm asking for you straightforward, no any kind of uh, in extra motivation. Only do that. Focus your marketing plan, focus your left and right your team, and only make a leader for left or right one person. One person are your left side, one person are your right side. You focus for two-person because this two-person facing for your and also regard for your own heart, and also you give a help everywhere, and also in the growth his team. If you bring successful two-person, one is the left side, one and right side, and inshallah you will see you must be successful or your platform. Why? Because the left side is a successful, your left side is growth, right side you give a time and you is the person are successful, your both leg are working, and after you're doing our services. Network marketing not for any kind of just like a lottery ticket, just like a extra bonus. No, only give us services. I am not any kind of very high knowledge and very high educated guy and very high personality. Only give us services for two guy. After that, this two guy bring for two people, I give a two people our service. Then after people are four people, I give a services. Only give us services. Give a on time our product, give a on time our commission, give a on time our services. He want to give a OPP, you go there and give a OPP. He want to training, you go there, give a training. After that, you making a 10 to 20 team, 20 to 20 person enough for you, and you also serve for him. Only you give a serve for him, and people are growing, and you see your power for this network marketing. This network marketing are too much power. This time I have a team, a doctor, I have a team engineer, I have a team of media person, I have a team office employee, too much my downlines. But I can surprise because I am also 1.5 year are working. After that, believe me, I manage for my team, and I am also give a services to my team. Somebody want to commission, I give a commission. Someone person want to product, I want to give a product. Some person want to OPP, I give arrange the OPP. That's it. Then see the business are grows in multiple, and also team are built. And you are lucky guy. To I'm I'm honestly speaking for that. This kind of platform, not any word. Okay, then you have try to making a team, because if only 2%, not for sometimes people, I want to 1,000%. Sometimes people you want to 2,000 people. No, no. Only bring for 2%. 2% is a dream. 2% he wants something but do. 2% he is also some, he want to change his life. Then you are focus for this two guy. You can imagine, because the meantime team are building, the people are get a success. You are surprised, because I am also doing that. I will start working in my home, and I'm calling some friend. I have a too much rejection, but the rejection are not. I'm demotivated. I'm powerful motivated. Why? Because I am also 100% sure my platform, 100% sure for my product, 100% sure my plan. Then I am study. I am also doing work, and also give us our achievement. Because you are successful, the people are automatically coming with you, and you are loser, the people are not with you. Because you are crying, nobody is crying, and you are happy, everybody is want to happy. You are dancing, everybody want to dance with you. But you are not dancing and you are sleeping, nobody will sleep with you. Why? Because life is that. Life is you are doing something. Life want to you doing something, or your people, your person. Because the here in some people are start for here Pakistan, not too much ladies are joining our here. Only some ladies are there, because I'm a visit for 4 times, but no single ladies with me go there. Why? Because I'm surprised in Pakistan, Philippines. Too much ladies are working. Too much ladies are focused on work. Then I hear in Pakistan more than more than 4,000 Filipino are here in Karachi only, and Pakistan maybe 50,000 plus. And you believe me, I'm start here in a one restaurant. Then one Filipino guy are here. I'm also give an invitation for him. Straightforward. I'm telling him I'm a Filipino. You are Filipino guy? Yeah. She said yes. I'm saying I'm also Filipino. He looking for me. No, you looking for Pakistani. I'm saying "Nee, I'm 4 times going to Philippines. I see I'm showing my video and my photo. After that he joining. You can imagine this time 150 plus downline in my downline in Philippines also. The only one lady. I'm also on for in a hotel, in a restaurant. He want to dinner. I want to also dinner are there. Then I would give an invitation for him. Then he's surprised. He see me. Oh, why you are coming to straightforward me? And also I'm going to sit in front of him. I'm say, who are you? I'm also Filipino. Only one wording I know. Salamat po. I'm asking Salamat po. He say, oh, why you asking me Salamat po? I'm saying I'm going to foreign time there. I'm also Filipino. Then he coming here. Then after that, then he also joined. Then he doing work. This time $156 are there. I don't know because he is not Malala for another city. He's a teacher. Then he doing work start also growth. He give me some contact in Philippines. Then you can imagine. I am also working. I'm bonding only working in Pakistan, because I cannot send product to another country. Why? Because our courier service is not here in proper. And you can imagine, I am also arrange the one guy and sent to Nigeria. I can finance him. He go to Nigeria. He built the team in Nigeria, Ghana, Uganda, Papua New Guinea, and Kenya and Africa. He stay there. Okay. He is a village guy, but he is educated. He is a village guy. He cannot speak properly. I am teaching 1 month in my home. After that, I give a visa. I go to there, and you can imagine he making a 500 plus team are there.
Wow.
Then, because I am also confident my platform, same for you. And I'm very happy for discuss for you, because this time I'm not motivate for you, because I am also I'm motivated motivation. My motivation is very high. I will see for you in this time, because I think maybe 4 a.m. in morning for Philippines. Then I'm surprised. I'm also thank you for everyone. You attend this chance, and also you see you listen for me. I have a no good my speak. I was speaking. I'm telling to my your upline. My English is not good, but I can try because first time I meet the doctor at maybe 1.5 hour. I'm talking. He cannot. He don't understand what are you saying. Then he told me, Ahmad, please slow. He asked me Ahmad. He said Ahmad, please slow. Then I start to slow. After that, you believe me, I cannot speak English. Little bit, I'm not speak English. Then I start the AIM Global. After the I am study for some wording, and you see the my paper are here. I'm also listening for something, and also product paper are here. Then I am also listening simple word. Today I give a training. Then I also making a nut here, and I also revise something. You see, the also because I'm talking for you, then I cannot good speaker, but I'm also give a reality for you. Believe me, I'm only for reality for telling for you because this is the truth. This is a honestly speaking. That your upline say I'm I'm very nervous for you and bad for you. I'm also nervous for with you because because I'm arranged meeting here in Zoom in Pakistan. Then I'm also discuss. I'm give a speech for too much people. But first time, because I'm go to one time in Dubai, then I'm speaking are there, then maybe 2,500 people are there. But is a Dubai anniversary. Then after that, I'm coming to down. Then Georgia say, I'm very happy because you are very good improvement. Then because this improvement, I because only for AM Global, because I'm not joined for AM Global. I'm gonna no go anywhere. I'm gonna not go to Philippines. Then I cannot change my life. Then I have a very big opportunity for this platform. I will see. Then I'm also sorry for you because I can speak. I am also trying to speak slow because I am also speaking very fast. This time I am practice for slow speech, because you understand point. Then I am speak some Filipino. I am also have some experience. Then I'm telling for you. Thank you. If any question, please ask me.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, sir. We are so inspired and motivated. Wow. So we have some business partner from Pakistan here, sir. I know they have a question, sir. Thank you so much for your inspiring success story. And guys, you can unmute if you have a question to Sir Ahmed. It's an opportunity, guys. So yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Hello,
Yes.
Coach.
Yes.
Coach Rashid, do you want to ask question?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to ask the question. Since EdPlan was launched international or in other countries, especially in Africa, does the package 21,000 rupees change already in the Karachi branch or not yet?
Yeah, Karachi branch is okay. Actually, Karachi branch is the I have a two package, na. One package is a MP. MP means mega pack. Mega pack is a 21,000. Okay, and second pack is a GP. GP package is Pakistani 8,000. Okay, then two package are here in Pakistan. Only two package.
But not yet updated as Ed plan, economy driver plan.
Yeah. Actually, I last time I discussed for Sir Georgian, and I'm also on in Skype in WhatsApp. Sorry, WhatsApp. Then he told me that I have a making a plan because he want to plan every country in different launching. Just start to Philippines, after that to Nigeria, and he told me next month he launching in Pakistan. Then
Okay.
maybe after the launching for this plan, then 21,000 and 8,000 plan is closed only for new plan. And I hope the 100% same plan for Philippines. I'm thinking now, because I'm discussed with him. Then he told me that I want to similar plan all over the world. Then I'm so happy. I'm also waiting. Maybe the product are different, but price is same now.
Okay, coach. Because here in the Philippines, we upgrade to EC5 or Empowered Consumerism, and we upgrade already the company upgraded the marketing plan and the capital. So that's why I'm asking, because I have few leaders in Karachi already and they want to expand more, and I want to have an update to get in order to upgrade their account to ed plan.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks for updating us.
Okay,
Yes.
and I give a one suggestion for you all Filipino leaders. I give a one suggestion for you. If any prospect, any country, if just let's suppose you have a Pakistan, Karachi in one prospect are there, okay, then immediately you making a one group in WhatsApp and Viber. If you want Viber, it's Viber, okay. If you want WhatsApp, in WhatsApp is okay, and you add for this guy in a group, and also you add for you and also me. Then any communication with him, then also you will see very easily. And Pakistan, is a Pakistan in a I can in a population double to Philippines. The Pakistan very big country, and also in a border for China, also in border for India, also border for Iran, also border for Afghanistan, also border for Iraq. Then
Okay.
he then
Yes.
very huge chance for you. And honestly speaking, I want two Filipino person are coming are here. Why? I'm telling for one thing for you, because I'm foreigner and go there, and too much Filipino are see for me and also motivated, and also in a competition for people. Oh, this is guy coming to another country is also in a successful. Why I am not? Okay, then I want to hear, because I can searching for here, but sometime is a your Filipino Independence Day event. The embassy invited me. Believe me, more than 50,000 plus people in Pakistan are Filipini. Also here in Nigerian, also here in African, also here in Somalian, also here in Afghanistani people. Too much people are there. Actually, you making a group now, then you also face the anything, because you making a group. I sent to immediately for package for here. I sent to package price for here and also product, and very easy you are.
Thank you, Coach. I will get your number from Coach Venus, and we'll create a GC for our Pakistan leaders in WhatsApp. So we will have an updates there. So thanks for your answer. But I have also a question, because earlier we have a wait for a while.
Yes, yes.
Earlier we have a meeting with elite leaders only in our team, MBB. Then Coach Rashid and Coach Obair are excited to travel here in the Philippines. Can you enumerate some of the requirements, um, since you travel already here in the Philippines free by AIM Global?
Yeah, actually, company not give a any sponsor and any give a visa facility. The sales of in Alliance in Motion Global in Pakistan, if we want to only for letter pad, because I am also distributor in for because I'm sending the person for Nigeria na, only give a letter pad by this guy is our company art distributor. Okay, if this guy want to go to Philippines, then you give a sponsor for him. Okay, embassy, he go to embassy, he's showing our distributor card here in Pakistan. Then he tell him, I am distributor for this company based for Philippines. Okay, I want to go there. Okay, then embassy person may be calling for me, because I am a one of person are here and also director are here in Pakistan. Maybe he calling for me. bro, this person I want to go to Philippines. Any kind of objection? I cannot do any objection because you are sponsor sending, also booking the ticket and also booking the hotel. Then he very easy go there because too much people go to Philippines to Pakistan to Philippines. No big issue. I don't know, but this time is a Corona because more than 1.5 year I cannot go to Philippines because after the Corona problem. I cannot. I want to. If you want, I can call to embassy. Then I get the knowledge more. Then maybe some rule are changed in a Corona test and something. No? But the earlier I go to Philippines to Pakistan very easy. No, Pakistan to Philippines, and Philippines to Pakistan, no big issue for there. No any problem. But actually, this is a policy for company, na. I'm hearing something maybe the previous 1.5 year ago. I'm meeting for Dr. Ed. Then he is making for one traveling agency for Dubai. Okay, maybe he facilitated the people because too much people are asked want to coming to visit to Philippines. The the maybe between the corona are coming, then is the problem is the plan is late. Maybe after that corona, Dr. Ed coming to Dubai, maybe he launching the office because Dubai our new office are ready only for one to launching, and this office only for not AM Global. This office, even if anybody go to Dubai, then very famous day-to-day market are there. And upper is the Alliance and Motion Global new office. Then two part. One office are traveling because anybody want to travel to any country, then he consult for there. He arrange everything. Then Pakistan is no problem if he coming here. If my side he want to anything, then I give him. No problem.
Like I have another question. If many leaders in Pakistan want to pay before we have a problem in paying or sending money here in the Philippines, what are your ways? Because Pakistan didn't want to ship their money to other countries.
Actually, it's a Pakistan also company our Mezan Bank account. Okay, our company our account here in Pakistan Mezan Bank. Okay, the Mezan anybody deliver to payment to Mezan Bank and send slip for you. I show for you in slip the payment for company. Then immediately I send to MP and GP code. No issue for that because here in a one company his name is BlueX. BlueX is courier service all over the Pakistan. Recently, one Filipino lady is a $1 in Peshawar, our city in Peshawar. Okay, is joined to one GP package, and he personal deposit the payment for company account, not for personal account. Okay, Rise in Motion Global Private Limited in Pakistan is a company account out there. If you want, I sending to bank account for you. Anybody Pakistani, he don't need send to payment for Philippines because via sending Western Union and MoneyGram, payment sent very easily to Philippines, no issue. But his the charges are there. The bank charges are there. Okay, then easy way for that. Anybody want to join with you, very easy. He sent to money to company account and send to slip for you, deposit slip for you, and you send me deposit slip for me. I immediately send for code for you in your WhatsApp, your Viber, and you put the joining. I send to product for a home delivery. No need for come to office. Okay.
Okay, coach. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, Coach Jade. Okay, sir, we have a question here.
Yes.
From Top One Maricel. Sir, I have a question. May you give us your techniques how you maintain your momentum?
Actually, you maintain your momentum first of all because believe me, I will start to aim global. Then I have a earn to money, but I cannot spend my money for any another business. Why? Because I'm spend to money to another business, just like a property, just like a hoteling, just like any business. then my focus is divert. Okay, then my mindful settle. I'm only focused for that. Sometime in the late night, I'm open my DTC and only for see my DTC. Believe me, only no work, but I'm seeing my DTC where is putting the people. Okay, then only focus for that. Only one thing for you. You are also main priority for that every time because the give me my mobile. I give a one example for you. One is an insurance guy. He want to go to insurance one very huge client. He locked his door. He locked his door. Then he asking me, my name is Ahmad. I want to insurance for you. Then he guy say, oh, I am very busy. Please go away. I don't have a time. Okay, sir, no problem. You are very busy. I'm going to again come to again. Then he go back. After the 1 and 15 days, he come back again. Hello, sir. You asked me, you come to again. Then I'm coming to here. I want to insurance for you. He person are very allergic. He say, oh, go there. No need for that. After that, he go back. Okay, sir. Today is a very busy. Maybe you will not give me a time. I'm going to come to again. Then he come to again. After that is the owner very angry. Then he put the one paperweight. His thug is a mine. Person are hitting are there. Then he is also bleeding are coming. Then he person are worried. Oh my God, I'm hitting her there. Then he go to doctor and also take the bandage. After the bandage, he say, boss, boss say you are okay. Yes, sir, I am okay. But I want to your policy. Please, what are your opinion? Then he say, oh my God, okay, I give your policy. Then problem is that you go to anywhere, you focus for your work because I go to market, I go to hotel, I go to airplane, I go to anywhere, I go to train. I focus my work. I see my clients. I'm also give up because network marketing is a relation business. You create the relation. You create the people or new people. You're going to Facebook because you believe me. I am also less than 35,000 online, but till date I'm open the Facebook. I'm going to anywhere. I'm also searching the people. I meet the people. I'm also, I cannot give a invitation anyone, but first of all I focus the person. I'm meeting with him. I'm also traveling with him. I'm also eating with him. Then I can manage for is a focus for this guy and give an invitation. After that I have a result. Then sometime you are demoralized. Sometimes you are also feel guilty. Sometimes you are also feel, oh my God, what happened to that? But 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 if you are again sitting with alone and to boost up your energy, you see your people, you see your relative, you see your family, you see your daughter, you see your son, you see your father. Because I'm very big knowledge for Filipino ladies and Filipino guy. Too much Filipino go to another country, too much Filipino go to another city, too much working, hard working, and also after that he survive his family. Because the same like just as Pakistan and Philippines also in a not developed country, is a middle country. Then all people are not too much rich people are there. And same too much not rich people are Pakistan. But you can focus and you can motivated yourself because after the God, you self motivation must be are there. You heart also strong because you face the reaction. You go to any shop and you want to t-shirt, you want to any trouser, you want to any cloth. The person are give are too much sitting for front of you and you are selection. After that you say no, sorry, I cannot agree with you. Then you cannot the person are not demotivated. He tried to again. He tried to again. Then you doing what? Because network marketing is a this time is a Pakistan after the computer, after the IT, very big opportunity for network marketing. This is our industry. This is not for you somebody tell ask me 21,000. Somebody want is a 20,000 peso. This is a not for very huge money. But this small money, you achieve the very big goal out there. Because this, you go to any small shop, you have a too much expense money for there. After that, maybe you have a get not result for your your experience. But after that, the only for small money are there, and office are focused and focus the people, you will see the result, inshallah. Then I am also, because I'm telling for you, initial 6 months, I can face too much trouble. But after that, this time is the my earning. You can believe, you can imagine my upline no single time coming to Pakistan. My upline no speak good Urdu, no speak good English. Then I am beating for his earning. Maybe he's earning half to me. I'm joining for only for 5 years. He joining to maybe 9 years ago, but he cannot do anything. But I'm here. But after the joining, I can focus my work. I cannot see backside. Is our upline coming to me and give me some benefit? No. And this time is a my downline is a 35,000 and my upline downline is a maybe 42,000. But I beat his earning. Why? Because my downline is the proper way. Then proper, like one side 20,000 and one side 15,000. Then I can manage. Then after that you focus your work and you get some earning. This earning too much motivation for you. This earning too much motivation for your family, because is the money your hand, the after that you feeling the motivation. Because I am also get the earning for here. First time, you believe me, I have a check only for 60,000. After that 98,000. After that 150,000. Then this time I have earning more than Pakistani, maybe 100 million. Cross. You can imagine. No any business, because no any business are here. My some people are too much land are here, too much business, but he cannot earning for this kind of amount. Then you understand for this business, because somebody might find, oh no, this is not business, but actually this is a business. Reality for that. Reality for your focus for your business, you are also motivated because you some get some earning, you spend for earning some more earning, you spend some more earning. After you see you huge earning, then you also too much motivation for there. The I'm telling for you, some lady asked me question. You have a note for launching for new package. I'm telling for you, I have a new package are here, but I am motivated. I'm doing work. Today I'm also give a joining. Today I'm give a working. Today I'm coming to office. I'm sitting here because you go to must go to office, because you go to placement. You go to place. If you go to market, you are feeling in market. You're going to park. You are feeling to park. You're going to anywhere in the Salma. You're feeling our film. If you going to office, your feeling are also are in the working or I am global, because environment is very must be are there, must be with you. Because the first time I'm going to Malela and see the head office, believe me, I cannot sleep all night. I cannot sleep because if anybody in Malela, our Malela office front of Holiday Inn Hotel. I will stay in a Holiday Inn Hotel. Maybe I don't know which floor. I'm open my window. I'm see the office only all night alone, and I'm motivated because the company are very huge office are there, are huge facility are there. And first time you can imagine I have a too much earning for this time, but I am very happy for that time. I bring the my Pakistani flag and I see the 35 to 40,000 people. I'm going to stage. I'm represent to Pakistan. I'm represent to my country. I'm represent my people. This is a very good motivation for me. Believe me, I cannot share my feeling for you. Maybe I'm born here in Pakistan.
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
No
Continue.
problem. I'm born in Pakistan. After that, I'm dying here. Nobody knows me. What happened for that? But this time, more than maybe 50,000, 50 million to people are, 50 plus million people are Filipini. Uh, and Alliance Emotion Global in Pakistan, everybody knows me because of AIM Global, because of this platform. Actually, money is the everything, but not any money. You want to money, but if after that, because I have a no any dream, I fulfill my dream. Only one dream I am something my hearing why I'm not earlier joined for AM Global. Why? But only for this kind of thinking my mind sometime. Because if I'm early joining global, maybe I have too much more earning, too much more facility, too much more dream. Then then inshallah, because this kind of meeting, because I know very well, 4 p.m. in a Philippine, if you wake up, if you attend this class, if you attend this Zoom meeting, if if my mind for that you want something, I pray for you. I pray for all because these people are coming to here and attend this class, and I'm so happy for you because you want something. If you want something, my God inshallah help you. My God inshallah give you in your dream. I pray for you. Thank
Wow. Thank you so much, sir. And we still have more question. Is it okay, sir?
you. No problem.
Okay, so what were your most challenges when you joined AIM Global, and how did you overcome them?
Actually, if you have a not challenges because if you not lost anything, then you cannot achieve. After you achieve anything, you cannot enjoy. I'm start to aim global. I spend too much time. Believe me, first of all, my family rejection me. You can imagine. My father called me. What are you doing? What is this? Too much people coming to your home, and you give a guarantee. You give a responsibility because everybody want to give a payment for me, and that time is the company account is not there. So this time I'm showing for you. I'm also one thing for you. You check that. Just a minute. You see. You see. This is a. You see, not see.
Yes, we see, coach.
Yeah.
We can
This
see
is
it, sir.
the. Yeah. This is the bank account. The one time I'm using my own account, and people are give a payment for me. I don't have a product. Believe me. You can imagine. You give me a 21,000. I put the journey for you. I'm say I don't have a product. You ask me what time you give up a product for me. I'm say I don't know. Maybe 1 year, maybe 6 months, maybe 12, maybe 1 month. I cannot give a time. Then I have more than 1,000 joining and too much people coming to my home. Okay. And my father see maybe it's a 20, 25, 35 bike are there. Some car are there. And people are coming to my home and I give a serve for him water. Believe me, my water bill 20, 25,000 a month. Only water. Then my father asked me, why, what are you doing? I'm saying I give up because it's a one meeting in a 8 hour with Dr. Ed. He changed my life. He changed my personality. I'm idealized for Dr. Ed. Believe me. The 8 hour meeting, after that I'm coming, then I'm crying. The people are sitting to my home. I send to if you want, I have a video. I'm not lying. I'm telling for truth for you. I'm crying. You see my video, I'm crying are there. Then people are a question for me. If company not give a product for you, What are you doing? I'm asking him, I'm sell my house, I give the payment for back for you. Believe me. Then one people question me, oh bro, this is all for your rental. I'm saying, no, this is my personal house. I show my documents. Okay. After that, the people are searching for this company. After the searching this company profile is very huge. The people are again confused. People are confused. Oh, this is a very large company. How can he come to Pakistan? This company not come to Pakistan. This is a very big company. The second question, my first hurdle for that, this company not come to Pakistan. Okay. After that, I'm showing everything. Then he see the YouTube, he see everything. He say he see company all product everything are there. After that, he question for me, bro, you confirm company are coming here? I'm say yeah, I'm sure. Why? Because this 8 hour honor belief for me, bro. If you doing something, I will with you. And believe me, the 5 year is honor not backup. He is also with me, and I am also idealized for him because I have this time too much offer, very big offer, but no, not for equal to AM Global. AM Global is very high for me. Then I faced trouble. Okay, after that product are coming. After that management are coming, or the after that this time I have a no any problem. The product are register are there, documents are okay are there, management are here, office are here, and everything are here. But I faced 2 and 3 times very large trouble. Sometimes people are also shouting for me, oh my, this person are mad. He is earning. And one time he bank called me, oh my God, you have a bank account too much. Why you are too much earning for payment are here? I'm say uh, I'm running for company. This payment are company. After that, this company go to company account. Then where everything is okay. Then is the problem are there. I'm also facing. No, I'm not telling for you. You are not facing a problem, but you facing a problem. Then you taste for success. If you're not facing for problem, you cannot taste for success. Okay, then this time I'm taste for success. Now I'm facing the problem. If I don't have a facing the problem, I don't taste the test success, because some this time people, oh my God, this is a very rich guy. Oh my God, this is also a very good car. Oh, he's traveling to Dubai, he's traveling to Philippines. Then people are asking me, but initial stage I cannot see anything. Then this is the truth. Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir. We have one more. Okay, so please give us some tips on how to be consistent to your goals in spite of many negatives surrounds me. Everyone is negative about my journey. Even the members of my family teach me how to be consistent, not to quit. From Maridel Valderrama. Thank you, sir.
Uh, I'm earlier told for you because the if you are crying, anybody not crying with you. The problem with that, because this system are everybody not accepted, because the people see the traditional market, people see the people are going to office, people going to shop, people going to job, the people going to serve. Okay, then the people are also this kind of marketing are new. Then he is a craft for you. He is a not for wrong. Why? Because he cannot see, because I'm discussed for you. This time I'm showing that this office. Okay, then anybody asks for you, where is Pakistan office, you tell him straightforward Karachi. Somebody also discuss with me in some placement, you tell him. But this meeting not attend, the earlier this meeting you can told him, no, you cannot told him, you cannot confidence for about Pakistan. Same just like your family. He want to he want to success for you. Okay, only one person are success for starting for this company, or family touch for him, touch for this your. Why? Because you see the surround is a actually negative person. You meet the negative person, you are also coming to negative thought. You're going to meet to successful person, you also achieve the successful thought. Because I am telling for you, this business based on your surrounding. Okay, if you are good surrounding, you achieve the result for good. Why? Because the negative person, you also discuss with him, then who is his success? Then his success is nothing. Then he want you are not successful. Then he give a negative waves for you. Only one thing for that. Because I will start for first job 600 rupees. You can imagine 600 rupees I can join to my first salary a month. Okay, and you can imagine for I don't have a bike, I don't have any facility. Okay, after that you will see. If I cannot decide for going to network marketing network marketing company, I cannot do anything because the somebody a surrounding for do all life he cannot achieve to 10 million all life. Only network marketing is the placement. You also putting the your own effort and focus the working for them. If any person are demotivated for you, immediately you go to your upline, go to your success person, and you sitting with him and you discuss with him. Then he tell his story. Maybe initial stage he facing same for your, believe me, same for your problem. Why? Because I'm telling for you the I'm start work for home. No company are here. No management are here. No product are here. You can imagine how much trouble for I'm facing. My family, first of all, he asking me why you give a guarantee for people. You collect the money. You send the money for Philippines. I bear to service for because package is 21,000. People not understand for give a money for send to Philippines. He cannot give me money. I spend to money my pocket. Why? Because I am also owner for this company. Our business for here. This is your business. The first of all, your business. You spend your time. You spend your money. You spend your effort. Only I am asking for you 1 year. You leave everything. You focus for that. You can see. And this all people with you. Why? Because he cannot knows for that. No? He cannot understand for you. Because I'm telling for you, I am first time going to Philippines. Whole night I'm not sleeping. I wake up and see the people. I'm surprised. I'm going to Philippine arena. I'm shocking. I'm see the people are there. But if I cannot one step, I cannot join to AIM Global. I cannot doing my work. I cannot face the trouble. I cannot face the problem. Then I cannot achieve this success. I cannot achieve my goal. If you achieve your goal, because the sometime your kitchen don't have a you don't have a rice, you don't have a eating anything. What are you doing? Because everybody knows, everybody worried his family, everybody worried is alive, everybody want to achieve success, everybody want to achieve some goal. If you have a goal, you don't focus for everyone. You can imagine somebody is making a stall in a day. He sells the vegetable. Every day is coming. Every day he sells the vegetable. One day he don't making a sale the his shop. He can do something? No. He cannot do because he knows very well. Maybe this vegetable is a someday after that he's a resolve, but he go to again. He go to again to what? He go to again his job. Then this first of all you understand for this platform. This is a business. Yes. This is not business. No. You can decide. You put your hand for your heart and you see that this business. If your mind and heart is equal tell this is a business, you can do it. And your heart and mind is not, oh no, this is a business. Somebody told you and you are also worried. No, you cannot success. The problem is that people are somebody, some person with you, but he don't happy for you. He don't want to. You are successful. He give a change for your mind. He want to change your goal. But first of all, you study for that, you planning for that, and you realize for this is okay. That's it. This is your mind, your heart. After that, you cannot see left and right. Let's suppose your upline is too helpful. Anybody want to talk to him, he cannot listen. He listen for me. If he leave the my phone, then he listen everyone. Then you put on there, and you see a friend that just like that. You are focus your business. No see left, no see right. In your inshallah, you will be successful. I promise for you. Because your whole life you cannot experiment. Then I am asking for you. You can imagine this time is I'm working here with my son, not for him alone. I will show a little bit. I'm showing for my office for you. This time nobody in office for my all office is closed. People are go to home and sleep. I wake up for you, and you wake up for me. I am also thankful for you. This is the way. Because if I want success, if I want something for my family, then you can survive. Then you can give us some give and take. If you don't give and take, you cannot successful. The too much people are coming, too much people are spend the life and go away. He cannot. Anybody knows. Anybody don't knows for him. If you want some placement, if you want some achievement, you want to some give a some. If you want give us something for your family. First priority is your family. You focus your family. If you want, you give us something for your family. Because the earlier I go to hotel, first of all I'm check the menu. Oh, this is a very expensive. I cannot do. This time I give a menu for my family. I'm asking, okay, you give an order. I cannot see the menu. Why? Because I spent the time, I spent the effort, and my family is also spent for me. Then that's it. This is the way. Only see your goal, your family. Then inshallah you see your success. Okay.
Yes, thank you, sir. And so we are motivated and super inspired. We thank you so much, sir, for being with us. You shared your time with us. Thank you so much. And you are good in English, sir. We understand a lot.
Oh, thank you.
Don't worry. Okay, sir. So, can you just give us your final message to all of us? Okay.
I'm last maybe 2.5 years. I will also knows for your upline, and I'm see for this kind of ladies also want to work and want to success, and also he give a too much time for people. Then I tell the one thing for you, only one thing. If you want to success, if you want to achieve some goal, if you want something for your family, please focus for your goal and face a challenge. If you face the challenge, you can survive. If you don't face the challenge, you cannot survive. Then you face the challenge and just say face the reality, because you give a one time a payment for company and get the product. After that, no any payment, any kind of product are pending for company. You are equal. If you want to work, you get the success. If you don't want to work, you get don't a success. Then I'm telling for you, if anybody, maybe 36 to 38 people for online. I give a one message for all of them. If this time, maybe what time for Philippines?
It's going to be 5 a.m., sir.
5 a.m. Then I'm hardly surprised because you not only you are motivated, I am also motivated because 5 a.m. morning you are live, you're you listening my speech and you also take up you attend my training. Then believe me, I am telling for you, inshallah, inshallah, you are will be achieve a millionaire. You are also successful because I want to my people in Pakistan. I am only one asking for you stand for your platform only for that. If you are a stand, believe me, you want to you achieve the successful. This marketing plan, this business, this company, everything is okay. If you are only stand, only you coming to continue to office, only you study to continue to marketing plan, only communication to people, 100% your success with your pocket is a my my 18 to 20 साल year experience I'm telling for you. If you are stand only for that, no uh, any problem, because I'm telling for you na, I cannot speak English for good. I'm telling for you, I cannot speak English. I cannot not use for WhatsApp and Viber. I cannot use for Facebook. After that, I focus because earlier I have a don't have a this glasses, but I using too much laptop, too much mobile, too much calling to people. You can. I'm telling one thing for you. Why I'm only for putting here for this year. After that I'm see I putting other thing. Then I'm telling for you. Thank you. Yeah, yeah, you see that actually is a one very huge plus for you, one very huge plus for you, because I made for Dr. Ed, I made for Ma'am Connie, I'm waiting for Sir Georgian, I'm waiting for too much leader are there. The one very good advantage for all team are loyal to Filipino people, loyal to Philippines, and love to our country. There is a very plus point for you. Believe me, I'm many time I'm discussed with him. Then I'm telling him, lucky for all Filipino guy, because this kind of people, this kind of trained people, this kind of honest people are your honor for your company. That this is a very good plus point for you. I'm sometimes I'm surprised why I'm not born to Philippines and Manila because I'm very much like to Philippines. Thank you, Ji. Thank you.
Okay, yes. Thank you so much, sir. And I hope to see you again around soon. And we prepared something for you, sir. Uh, Let me call Coach Annie. Are you there? Coach Annie.
Yes, coach, I'm here.
Okay.
Okay, so let me just prepare our what we prepared for start. Okay, it's just that we are having a technical problem with my computer here. So is it okay if I will share using my phone right now?
Okay.
But thank you very much, sir. Okay,
Thank you.
it's been so very inspiring and been so motivated with what you've
Thank
shared to us tonight. Okay, so because of that, we would like to uh, share you this. Hold on. Let me share my share screen. I'm sorry. Mhm.
Naka-off cam ka naman, Abs.
Is my screen is showing, coach?
Yes.
Okay. So
Okay.
this certificate of appreciation is
Thank
proudly
you.
presented to
Actually, my spelling is a mistake. My spelling
Yun lang.
actually is a Bhatti is spelling BHATTI.
Oh, okay. We will be going to correct it
Let
for
me
you, sir.
we'll correct it later.
Yeah.
We need to
I'm
have
sorry
update
about this.
too.
So, Sir Ahmed Bativ, thank you very much for sharing your time, effort, and outstanding support as a guest sharer during Millionaires International Zoom meeting, given this 29th day of September 2020, signatured by our Millionaires founder, Sir Adrian Vito. So, thank you. And
Thank you.
yeah,
Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Thank you,
thank
sir. So,
you.
sir, we will correct it later. I'm so sorry. And so, don't leave, sir. We take picture, please. Everybody. Coach Annie.
My computer is not working right now. Oh.
Ako na
So
lang.
I think
Andyan ba si
Coach
Coach Leo?
Jade. Okay.
Ako na.
Ay, upline PJ. Okay. Anong signature upline, Coach Jade?
Easy
Easy
5.
EC5, okay. You, EC5, upline Ahmed. Sir Ahmed.
Yes, like that.
Five.
Yes.
Okay, 1, 2, 3,
2,
smile. First page. Wait. I will send first, then. Hindi ko alam kung kanino itong JC.
Wait. Tapos na ba, Coach Jade?
Second page.
Okay, second page.
1, 2, 3. Last post is Waki Coach.
Waki like.
Funny faces.
It's like that.
Yes,
Oh.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, so
Second page, Waki again.
Waki.
1, 2, 3. Yeah. Thank you, Coach, for the
Thank you
time.
so much, Sir Ahmed. So, Coach Annie, pwede na ba siya mag-live o mag-pray muna?
Pray muna, but I don't know who
Okay.
are going to play.
Okay,
for
sir.
us.
So, we're gonna pray.
Okay.
Maybe
Sino mag-pray
Coach
po?
Jade can do that for us. Coach. Okay, so since my computer is not working, is it okay if we will Coach Jade, can you play the prayer for freedom for us, please? Thank you.
Prayer for freedom. Today, Creator of the universe, we ask that you come to us and share with us a strong communion of love. We know that your real name is love. That to have a communion with you means to share the same vibration, the same frequency that you are, because you are the only thing that exists in the universe. Today, help us to be like you are, to love life, to be life, to be love. Help us to love the way you love, with no conditions, no expectations, no obligations, without any judgment. Help us to love and accept ourselves without any judgment. Because when we judge ourselves, we find ourselves guilty and we need to be punished. Help us to love everything you create unconditionally, especially other human beings, especially those who live around us, all our relatives and people whom we try so hard to love. Because when we reject them, we reject ourselves. And when we reject ourselves, we reject you. Help us to love others just the way they are, with no conditions. Help us to accept them the way they are, without judgment. Because if we judge them, we find them guilty. We blame them, and we have the need to punish them. Today, clean our hearts of any emotional poison that we have. Free our minds from any judgment so that we can live in complete peace and complete love. Today is a very special day. Today we open our hearts to love again so that we can tell each other, I love you, without any fear and really mean it. Today we offer ourselves to you. Come to us. Use our voices. Use our eyes. Use our hands. And use our hearts to share ourselves in a communion of love with everyone. Today, Creator, help us to be just like you are. Thank you for everything that we receive this day, especially for the freedom to be who we really are. Amen.
Amin.
Thank you very much, Sir
Thank you so
Ahmed.
much.
And
Thank you, Sir Ahmed.
Thank you.
Later, I will
looking
give your
forward to
WhatsApp
see you again
to
here
your
in
business
Philippines
partner.
next time.
Yeah.
Thank
Thank you, Sir Ahmed.
Thank
Everyone
you.
who
God bless everybody.
today.
Bye-bye.
Congratulations,
Bye.
everyone, and thank you very much, Sir Ahmed. Sir Ahmed.
Bye, Sir Ahmed. Thank you so much for
Bye,
the
everyone.
time. God bless.
See
Thank
you
you.
all.
Bye. See you all.
Bye-bye to all.
Bye, Sir Mike. Bye, Coach Jade. Coach Felicia. Coach Annie. Bye.
God bless everyone.
Mas Malu, bye-bye.
Hey,
To all my leaders here, thank you for joining and you can join again next time. Ang lapit.
This one, you are the one to share. Rebecca, you are the one to share.
Oy, baby,
Bye-bye.
Coach
Bye.
Jade.
Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye, bye.
Hi. Hello, Felisa. Good morning.